so strong and resilient. Both strength and resilience are core to what defined him. I remember in 2001 when Gujarat was hit by one of the worst earthquakes in its history, Papa ensured that immediate relief was provided. He mobilized teams and also asked me to go there personally. We left overnight from Jamnagar in trucks and buses to Anjar. There was unimaginable devastation and suffering all around. But Papa's words inspired us then and continue to inspire us today as we do all that we can to support India's fight against COVID. From contributions to various relief funds to Mission Anna Seva, under which we have distributed over 85 million free meals. From free fuel for emergency vehicles to essential deliveries and digital connectivity. From hospital beds and oxygen supplies to efficient vaccinations for millions. In every challenge that the pandemic posed, the Reliance family stood firmly with our nation. Reliance Foundation has so far vaccinated over 25 lakh people across the country, providing free vaccination to the most disadvantaged sections of our society. And we will continue to work hard for the well-being of all Indians. A special mention to our entire medical community of Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital and to all our frontline warriors from Reliance Foundation, Reliance business teams, our schools, sports team and corporate functions. You have all risen above your call of duty. Our doctors have saved countless precious lives day and night selflessly. Our nurses have tested and vaccinated tirelessly with a smile on their faces. Our teachers have reskilled themselves and ensured that our children continue to learn from home. Our Mumbai Indians and Indian Super League players have spread so much joy, hope and cheer even in these difficult times. Our engineers have responded to every critical need of the hour, from producing PPEs to life-saving oxygen. Please join me in applauding the entire Reliance family for your outstanding contribution to this crusade against COVID. Along with COVID relief, our other developmental work also continued in full swing. I am humbled to share with you that Reliance Foundation has now touched the lives of over 55 million Indians in the remotest towns and villages of our country.
रिलायंस फैमिली डे 2021 के मौके पर नीता अंबानी